programming, and here you can give power supply. So if you provide power supply, it connects the power supply here. These LEDs are blinking. Already I had loaded the code. The disadvantage of this board is you require serial port. Most of laptop doesn't have serial port, so you have to use USB to serial converter, and using USB to serial converter you can execute the code. You can load the code into IC. Now to load the code we have to use flash magic. Then you have to select your port, on which port you had connected your Arduino or USB port. Then you have to set baud rate 9600, then clock frequency, and you have to select erase all flash. You have to browse your code, like the code is that desktop. On desktop, BBIT FDP, ARM, LED blinking, LED hex, and you have to putting the code. Am I audible? Is boot. First is reset and second is bootloader. So you have to transfer your microcontroller from normal mode into bootloader mode, and for that the steps is bootloader. Then you have to press reset, and then you have to release the reset. Then you have to release the bootloader. So this will go into bootloader. See, right now LEDs are not flashing, and then you have to click on start. But before that, again there is one change: options, advanced option, and you have to disable use DTR and RTS signal. You have to disable use DTR and RTS signal. If it is enabled, then it will not work, so you have to disable it, and then you have to click on start. So when you click on start, it shows the message whether it is connecting or not. Right now it is not connecting because my laptop doesn't have serial port. So at home I had loaded this code. If you press reset button, this code will execute, LED blinking. But to load the code, your steps are: first you have to press bootloader, then you have to press reset, then release the reset button, and then release the bootloader, and then do the programming. Otherwise it will not load your code. So this is very important. To load your code, there is special procedure. Again I will repeat the procedure. First you have to press bootloader, then you have to press reset button, then release the reset button, and then release bootloader. Then this board will go into bootloading or programming mode, and then you can click on start. Understand the procedure for loading the code? So for that you have to open Flash Magic. In Flash Magic and baud rate 9600. Then you use block, click on verify. Okay, file. Verify after programming. And when you click start, there is one advanced option, and in that you have to disable use DTR RTS. You have to disable it, and then you have to browse your hex file. And this is the procedure. This is very important procedure. Reset switch, ISP switch. So first you have to press ISP switch, then you have to press reset switch, then you have to release the reset switch, and then you have to release second switch. So this step is very important, which I am going to show you here. So first you have to press ISP switch. So this is my ISP switch. So if it is now in working condition, normal condition, so you have to press ISP switch. If I press ISP, there is no effect on this. So second step, reset button. So I will release the reset button. And your fourth step, I have to release ISP switch. Now this board is in ISP mode, and then only you have to click on start. So when you click on start, your program will be loaded and it indicates finished. So using this, you can load your hex file into microcontroller. So now it's question answer time. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.